Hello, Ma'am and Sir. Good day. My name is Christy Tubigon Catamara. I am 45 years old, widow. I have two kids. My eldest, 24 years old. My youngest is 23 years old. I am a Roman Catholic. I am a college level. I am 10 siblings. My work experience in Manila, Philippines. I'm as a nanny, as a housemaid. I'm taking care of kids, 1 year old until 3 year old, 2016 until 2019. My work experience in abroad, I work in Qatar in 2 years. As a nanny, as a housemaid, I taking care of baby, 2 months infants until 2 years and 3 months old. To my future employer, if you're giving me a chance to work with you, I do my best, and I show them to the kids that they will grow happy kids. Thank you.